And then to the downside, I'm looking at obviously 68 on the 12, but 68.10 is another major. That'll into 15 points within that. I'm neutral.
IWM is significantly weaker here in the pre-market than SPY QQQ. It's actually already breaking underneath that pre-market low from the earlier bounce that SPY and Q's had around 8 a.m. IWM is underneath that, so a little bit weaker there on the Russell. So we do trade downside for that or relative weakness over there.
That's also what happened Wednesday, though. IWM was actually definitely a bearish outlier coming into market open against the lift, and SPY ended up being more neutral while IWM ripped.
Yep.
So that's exactly what we saw Wednesday as well. SPY kind of lagged while IWM was straight up all day.
25 seconds.
Let's rock and roll, baby.
Information on it. We did a little analysis on Google over the weekend. There is a lot of exposure above that price. I would not expect it to be above that. I think I don't have a position on it, but when I was analyzing.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1, boom.
Sure.
Good morning, everyone. If you guys have any questions, again, as always, feel free to ask. Let's make some money. I'm looking for a put spread today, being that we are down 1% already, or it's not going away. Okay, allow. Cool. I don't care. Tried to be stupid last night. Lost $200. It's okay though. Ooh, wait, be ready. What do we have at 9:45? PMI. PMI, okay.
Good morning, guys.
short hold, 3-minute EMA risk.
Oh no. I'll get that set up. I just do. Okay. You do. Oh. Okay. Let's make some money today. We have VEX. Okay. 611 looks like a big spot. Let's wait and see how the first few minutes play out here.
Point gain MNQ covered half. 4-point gain gold covered half.
Just waiting. I'm gonna get in short. Damn, it's moving fast.
I'm sure it is. Stop that.
I'm stepped out actually.
You took a small Tesla call position here, tight stop loss. Probably pre-market low is my stop.
Keep an eye on energy names, tickers like CVX, XOM, and Oxy, OXY.
You crude quite a bit.
If we go over 300 and gold, I'll take a long up there. But
Amazon's been it's been a nice run. And the age gap there.
Nvidia and Microsoft started pushing quite a bit, so Tesla pushing pretty strong. That got snapped.
It's gonna get pretty hard. So, CrowdStrike. Apple coming in, Microsoft coming in.
Watching gold's lower low at 271.9.
Yes, is that major confluence from last week I was mentioning? 68.25
Oh,
or
I'm ready to
something.
trade too. I'm just waiting for the first few minutes. That's basically what I'm doing here. I'm not really. I want to see how the market kind of reacts. That's basically all I'm doing. We have data in 10 minutes too, and data at 10. So it's more so waiting for that. I'm just trying to be patient, be smart.
All right, gold new lows there under that 271 pivot. Bam. Beautiful. 10-point gain gold, covered a quarter.
Trying to shorty in 23 and a quarter.
About 16,
Amazon's green.
16% on Tesla. I'm turning out.
Wow, look at Rivian.
It's a Monday, so I'm taking
Watching this
small
VWAP
profits.
projection on NQ. I got a half position left.
Look at Rivian.
15 minutes CBC. Next target I have on gold, previous day high, 263.1.
Stop break even.
Oh, there we go. Tesla, 20%, over 20%.
I don't think that's good. That's
There's Dolly Mag that's really green. I guess Tesla's basically a dollar green.
That's 26% on Tesla. I'm down to 10, 250 to about 340 or even
Got
more now.
stop remainder MNQ.
Big push on Tesla.
Amazon's green. Rivian's green.
That's about 38% Tesla. I've got 6 left, guys.
The XOM 117 call swings are also red green, red green.
Amp is very green from last night.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Good morning, good morning.
what's going on.
Speaking of things that are green,
Now it might be M&R.
that was all.
What made me size big on the spread? Actually, in reality, Melt Up, I actually sized smaller on the spread on Friday. Let me pull up my sheet for a second. I'll show you. We'll do this really quickly. Hold on 1 second. So here's my 5K. You can see 5,000 to 81,000 in under. Oops, sorry, wrong thing. That's why. In just about 10 or 11 months here. 10 months here. November is my biggest month. Now we start December. I actually have to put this up in a second. Oh, give me 1 second while I'm here. I might as well start this. So 342, 370. Okay, just get that ready for myself. No. Okay, so you can actually see I size smaller in a way. I'm normally hitting 28 to 30,000, maybe even in the 40s. I size for 14,000 there. So I actually size smaller on that spread on Friday. Just want to make sure my copy trading is on. Enable copy trading.
It feels like a short VWAP projection. We've maintained price below VWAP pretty much the whole overnight session.
What the?
I feel like maybe that was the trap here.
That was a trap because I said I was going long. Yeah, I know that.
Oh no, why did that do that?
Yes, that was a fucking mentality.
So, am I connected now?
I don't know. I'm reading that. Just so we can push some.
Very no amazing.
MNQ short 10-minute risk, shorted green.
Enable copy trading. Copy subscriber. How do I make sure
Very likely.
my brokerage is working now? Copy on. Brokers. Which one? Cash account? Yeah, okay. Get rid of that. This is margin account. Okay, so now let me make sure I did that right. Give me a second. Sorry, guys.
And then from the pop. Oh man, I want to kick away from that limit.
20-point gain, MNQ covered half.
Oh,
Okay, hopefully I clicked the right account, I guess. I don't know why that's showing. No, I don't want this fucking account. No, get rid of this. We're getting rid of that.
XOM is flying high, grab calls on Foxy as well.
Oh my god.
CVX
Okay,
is
now it's the only account.
Again, watch these gas tanks here. We're ripping applications morning. Sent the charts last week. Our time frame, we're looking good. We see rotation.
I want to make sure anyone traded.
Holy Jesus.
Okay, if we bounce here at the 233.70, come on, a little bit more, come on.
Is it full, Jordan? I can't see it. I've got the 4 people with listeners. I see a little.
yeah, it's cool.
Come on,
I'm
233.70.
pushing my day here.
Oh, you bitch. Okay. Long Amazon 235 calls. Trying to long on Amazon 235 calls for Friday. Oh, there's a 270.
We're going down another like 100 plus points at least.
Yeah. Damn it.
So his final cousins at break even. I want to see how it behaves right around 425. It takes another bounce. I would still be interested because it did look really nice at market open. I have no problem taking Tesla again.
Hmm.
50-point gain, MQ covered a quarter.
Tesla, I should have waited 30 cents there. I was trying to grab it on that green hammer. That's fine. Let's see if we bounce up here. Just gave myself a bad entry.
This fix is gonna break 6,800.
Got the 2-minute 21, 5-minute 9. We need to hold that 233.30. Under that, I'm out. Yes, it is. It is at 2,000. Where is my screen, dude? What is going on? A lot of like issues today with this stuff. Ooh, Rivian doing nice. Nvidia doing nice. Okay, Amazon, hold to 233.30 is key. I'm not going to add into this. I did just get a bad entry, though. That's a little frustrating. Part of the game, though. That's my fault. That's my fault. That's my fault. If we break 233.30, I'm out on a 2-minute close. His acting weak still.
Friday lows, it could be interesting.
Oxy 42.5.
So far, so good. Come on.
Very nice.
Come on, baby. Get back up.
Damn sucked.
Spy's still holding up pretty well, in my opinion, I've got to say.
There we go. Come on.
See what happens here.
Get us back green. Just poor entry. Honestly, poor entry. I could have had a beautiful entry right around at least 233.70, which would have got us, we would have been green by now. We would have got about a 325, 327 entry. Okay, so we reclaimed all those. We're holding well. Gonna let this ride. Let's get to 234.70, 234.80. That's our goal. Then we're gonna trim one. Yeah, just poor entry on my end. And again, it happens. I should have waited. There we go. We're green. Not by much. Again, entry kind of screwed us, but let's keep moving. My entry was 342. 342. Again, still testing the AlertsEye platform. So I'm sizing pretty small. I also have cash coming over. So I have 2 contracts. Looking for a day trade, looking to get over 234.60, 234.80. This is where I really want to trim up here. So I want to trim right about here. So reason why we grabbed this trade, 2-minute 9 and 21 holding, 3-minute 9 holding, 5-minute 9 holding. Now again, could have got a better entry. I tried to grab long right here because I thought at the time it started to wick on that 233.90, and I got a bad entry. I actually got an entry basically where we are right now. So we could have had a full dollar lower and would have been nice. Again, would have been probably 315, 310 on those entries. But again, you know, stick with the plan, follow it through. It did not get my stop loss. We're going to ride it and hopefully make some profit here. Another 30 cents, trim it out. Market's coming back up. That's good. Market new high day. So that's good for us on Amazon. You have AMD and NVIDIA popping hard. Yeah, AMD and Nvidia popping hard here. You have NQ new high a day. Amazon's pushing up. Grabbed the longs on Amazon there from about 50 cents ago.
We broke that 68.25 on yes, that was my focus level.
Come on, Amazon. Get up there. Get up there.
If it holds at 300, I would take it long, but
Someone wants Amazon at 260.
bad call outs.
Look at this.
What do I do? Just wait.
Oh, someone really wants Amazon at 260 or at least 245
I mean, unpopular opinion. You don't have
by the 19th.
I know.
No, it's
Q's
you had a huge move
buy.
overnight, but you had a
AMD.
It could take a while to like finish rolling over.
They want Nvidia higher, 182 to 185.
Yeah.
Where's Rivian? There we go. Rivian. Ooh,
I'm short gold.
this is after the event too. The event is this week.
Someone's
right
cracking
here.
Open a little drink ski.
I'm supposed to have quit the energy drinks.
Oscar.
I'm tired, long weekend.
They want Oscar higher.
Went down to my daughter's college. It was fun.
Seems like they want Oscar higher.
IWM.
Come on, Amazon. Get me out of my bad entry. So now my new stop loss is a close under 233.70. 233.70.
God, it's so iffy. It's like I want to trust the 300, but I can't really.
Yeah, this is a poor entry.
You know, it's Saturday, this Thursday, we got a Wolf EU show. It's 7:30 a.m. Eastern Thursday morning.
Yeah, for about an hour or so. Got a couple of guests coming on.
Netflix.
Just saying, for your early morning people, get excited.
So they're earning, yes, for the morning folks. And
Oh, there goes
guys,
NQ. Come on, bring Amazon up. Let's go.
European investors, traders, analysts, send them my way. Shoot you a DM.
Oxy, another new high there. CDS up 1.6%, new highs as well.
Entry long 3-minute CBC.
I like that.
It's not like people in the conference. They're all very nice.
Come on, Amazon. Make me go green, baby. I know
It's 100% on IWM.
I know I was a bad man, but
Sure, they're definitely-
get me out of my mistake on the entry. The trade's good. Get me out of my mistake on the entry, though.
You know what? The long ones is the down yours.
Come on. Come on. Get me out of my mistake on the entry.
Right before the market
Give us that move. Let me trim. And, you know, how about you send us for a new high a day? Make me happy. Watching NVIDIA and AMD.
I'll target him. Thank you, sure.
There goes Rivian.
I get something for myself. Nice scalp at that.
So we got a lot of things moving higher here. IWM strong. VIX is still up, obviously, with the gap down. Amazon, no, you bitch. Can't get above 230. Look, can't even close above this area.
Weird name.
So you need to get above this right here for this to move higher. And we need to hold this right here. So under this, I'm out on a 2 or 3 minute close, 233.70. Over this, we look good for this. But so far, it's not going in our favor here.
Our finance is looking good. Bank of America, JPM is ripping right now. Morgan Stanley trying to play a little bit of catch up. Wells Fargo pushing back up to previous day high.
Come on, Amazon. You got this. What do you say?
Google calls coming in right now.
Get me out of my bad entry. Help a brother. Help a brother. Only down 4% or 5%. Not bad, but still.
Maybe out half the position.
Come on. Yeah, we'd be green. What a good entry. Shit.
20-point gain. NQ sold half.
Good stuff, dude.
Come on. NQ keep going higher.
I wasn't fighting on shorts this morning. I mean, it obviously could have went down. But
NQ keeps going higher. AMD, that's a good example. Let's see, the 3 minute probably didn't hit. Oh, the 3 minute did hit. Again, great example of a long here. This is exactly what I should have did. It's just that I should have waited for that 3 minute 9 on Amazon. You're not going to see it here, but it was at this 233.70, and I again got the trade like right here. So my fault. I'm just trying to. I keep trying to explain so you guys see what I did wrong on that entry timing. Again, so far holding the 9, which is great on all time frames. So let's get back up. Come on, break through this 234.33. Boom. We have data in 5 minutes here. PMI data. Yeah, so that AMD was perfect. We watched Netflix for long on a dip. AMD and NVIDIA, perfect examples of longs there. Again, watch Netflix for a dip buy. Oh, there we go. Come on. Go, baby. We're going to be at 3%? Yeah. Come on. Get over. I'm going to trim one.
I showed everything, bro.
I've set 1 to sell. Okay. I mean, 3%, but I set 1 to sell just to get it out, just because of the bad entry.
Great shot.
60-point gain. MNQ sold a quarter. GG my hundo.
Okay, sold 1 contract there on Amazon. I'm going to let the other one ride.
I was once, and then I just took a small bite again.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to buy on this freaking candle that just got up at this spot. If it pulls back down closer to 427, dip right here, I might see if it rejects this volume when I control at 429. Just pull back
Short
down
NQ
like $1.
358 average.
Okay.
Watch Tesla just rip straight through this and then go to 432.
Okay, we had a good sell there on Amazon. I'm just going to try to get out the last one here, to be honest.
If I had to take a guess, it's
Just only 2 minutes.
Get off her a small profit. Yeah, I got out for a small profit just to do it. I don't know. I just didn't like my entry. That's the whole issue there.
That also
That's the whole issue there. Very small profit on Amazon. It's more so, honestly, I just wanted to get out of the trade at that point. I just didn't like my entry.
Almost 20 points on that.
Beautiful setup here on AMD. Look at the 2 minute. Perfect example. Grab that. 3 minute. Grab that. Boom. You got new high day. So you have over $2 a move basically right there.
2 minutes.
Again, we will get a much better trade. Now I'm waiting for that perfect opportunity. We have 2 minutes of data. Let's wait for that to run through, see how the market reacts. So we could possibly get a long here on NQ and or QQQ and or something else. But let's give this a 2 minutes here, get this data out of the way, and then we'll get back to trading. Again, green trade, but nothing to be proud of. It was only literally 3%. It was more so to get out. Okay, wait for this data. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm going to close all that because wait. Oh,
Why not just get an alert on Nike? Piece of shit stock. What is it doing? It's hitting my call trigger area.
I'm going to close that because we have data here in a minute.
Nike. All right, here's 10 a.m.
Okay, we got data.
48.2 on ISM manufacturing PMI. 48.6, 48.8.
Close that just to get it out.
Projections. You got that fast, bro.
There you go.
It doesn't seem.
We should fire Evan and hire him.
Ooh. Watch for a turn here. Got a hangy man there on the 2 minute. EMA is getting caught up there. Hangy man here on the 2 minute here.
This is a good trend spot up here on CVX, hitting 154.
Just close this.
Actual 48 points.
Okay, so now let's wait. Get our trade going here.
Consensus is 48.6. No, nothing burger. Carry on.
Theoretically scheduled shorts.
Today was not my day,
I think that's talking about still in the trade.
Okay, market's still trying to push higher here.
Close profit. There we go. Red to green. Kind of stuff on the bed. All of my problems is not getting solved that way in 40 seconds.
That pocket long is up. Not in it though.
That's the worst.
Tesla just hit 430 right there.
It's only up about 80 points. Okay.
Yeah.
Like this.
Fox is coming up to the daily volume point of control. Curious, we have about half the position, but this right here can just start the breakout from the larger time frame on the
Amazon still walking up
mainly
there.
That daily inverse head and shoulders.
Okay, now we're looking for some trades.
Above here.
You got NVIDIA and AMD actually looking weaker now. So no trades on them.
The big targets upside.
Okay, a lot of hangymans coming in across the board.
Meta also in the gap fill from the overnight session, new high day.
I'm seeing a lot of hanky mans come across the board on some different time frames on multiple names. So watch to see if we start to reject here.
I believe that's half gap for spying cues from the overnight that we are rejecting.
I did close my final couple IWMs.
All right, waiting for another trade here. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Just give me 1 second. Let me just grab something for my dogs.
Just hit the 4 a.m. candle high from the gap. It was 247.66. It just hit 247.68. So you do have resistance across the board on a few of these names right up here.
I don't know if this is old, but ISM manufacturing employment is 44 versus 46 previous. A lot of news chatter about the unemployment rates. So.
Market didn't seem to give one F about Japan's bond market news overnight. Historic levels.
Oh my
That caught my
God.
eye this morning.
It's been doing that for a week. Though.
Yeah, it's true. But it finally
It's just
crossed
every
my
time,
news
like,
feed.
every time the market moves, people just go and slowly try to like assign fault somewhere.
Oh, for
And
sure.
70% of the time, it's mechanical. Go up for 5 days in a row with no institutions and no volume, you're gonna get a pullback.
This pullback can still be bullish too. We are
Yeah,
probably,
it needs to pull back even further, and it's still bullish.
yeah. We have a lot of hard section that
Back test something after going up for 5 straight days.
The market, I joke around like that all the time. The market is supposed to go up all the time, every day.
Yeah, except for crypto, it just goes down.
Black Friday sales.
Meta a little bit resilient up here right now. Yeah, the other thing is NVIDIA.
NQ long, it's a ladder on another account. I bought red here.
The bid is trying to flag.
NVIDIA was already down like what 5-6% last week. Yeah, when I was on the session last night, I was looking at some charts. Someone was like, NVIDIA is looking really good. I was like, not really. I was like, to be honest with you, look at the daily chart for NVIDIA. I was like, as of right now, it almost looks setting up more bearish than the majority of these other names.
Downtrend.
Yeah, I was like, a lot of other things like the pullbacks that it's been getting, like overall structure-wise, still very bullish on the chart. I was like, but NVIDIA, I was like, no, I was like, it actually, the pullback that it got,
Okay.
it kept.
Let's get back to work.
Validated anything.
Market's holding the 2 minute. Let's check the 3. 3 minute held too. Shit. Okay. Could be bouncing here. Thank God Amazon didn't go higher. That would have made me a little upset. Okay, NVIDIA holding. AMD pushing strong. I mean, NVIDIA pushing strong. Let's watch if we can get a trade on AMD. Holding the 2 minute, 21. Holding a 3 minute 9. Holding a 5 minute 9. AMD. Grab the one contract here on AMD. Looking for a move into new high day, 219.60. Again, not the best entry. That's why I'm only doing one contract there, as it's starting to really move here. But 219.60, new higher day, just like NVIDIA, breaking new high day, pushing hard. Netflix, did we get there? No, we did not. So no entry on Netflix. Rivian, look at Rivian. Look at Rivian just absolutely booming into that AI autonomy day.
Dylan, I sales when I sent them.
Oh, I have a lot of Rivian for the next 2 years.
And I was like, I got January
I loaded it up.
6, 2026.
I'm loaded.
What is the
The 10th or the 11th. I don't even remember now. Give me a second. Let me check.
Just remind me when that event is so I can tell the news.
What?
20-point gain. MNQ sold half on the ladder. Still have my
This
initial
guy.
position.
Stinks.
he smells so bad.
The 11th at 12 p.m. Eastern.
Is that
Put that in your calendar.
11 days away? Speaking of, what day is this? Oh, I will be in Puerto Rico.
Nvidia is strong here.
Tesla's breaking too.
Netflix is strong. Tesla almost had high a day.
Yeah, NVIDIA flagged out. That's why, isn't it?
Come on, AMD.
He's shorting this. I don't care. I'm shorting it.
Am I just gonna get the names that barely?
That was the only
Go
thing
higher
local
today?
would Get it at 380s. It's one thing.
Wow.
But nothing here.
Okay, I'm gonna have to close AMD here. Okay, bad entry,
Well, let's go
but
down.
not really a good trade either, I guess. There. Let me slow this down. Let's get back to business here. I'm gonna close that for a loss. That's a $60 loss there. Let's get back to business here. I was expecting it to kind of follow Nvidia's path. Same type of thing. I grabbed the entry right here on this green candle when you should be grabbing the entry here. Again, my fault. Got to get back in the saddle. Got to be smart, size appropriately, which I did in that case, but need to get that timing right. Netflix is one to watch.
I think it's a good idea to let the 3-minute EMA's guidance here. If it fails, obviously we have stop setting profit, but if not, I think we see go breaker maybe previous day or high there.
Yeah, Netflix is one to watch that I want to.
Let's go gold. Here we go. Trying to bring it back down under the previous day high, 263.1. Think she's about to bust.
There goes Tessie.
Here we go, baby. Let's go. I sold half there, guys. Just take a little off.
Video climbing here. CBC still bullish. I feel like we see $180 psych, and that brings MQ up with us.
Great work, guys.
Well, took the test calls. That person was up there upside. Nice. IWM pulling back after that resistance.
Damn. Netflix is just mooning here. Mooning. What was Amazon price? I got in at 340 and I sold at like 360. So again, it wasn't anything crazy. EVV. Bentley, no, I just gave you a treat. Come here. Come here. Yeah, so the Amazon trade wasn't anything crazy. Meta with a nice move. Let's see. 2 minute. See, I don't like how this looks. Like this type of trade, I don't want to grab because we're just flat. Whereas something like this, where you come back. Oh, I guess that's flat too. Something like this, where we come back in and get a dip buy, is where I'd be interested. Or like Tesla. Look at that 2 minute. Let's check the 3 minute. You're going to see a 9. Yep. Let's check the 5 minute. You're going to see a 9. Yep. Again, missed opportunity there. I just didn't see it. And keys holding, but this is slowing down, so I don't know if I want to grab it here. Again, it could go higher, which I think it probably does, but I just don't like how it's been riding it like that. KQs.
Woo, let's go, baby.
Let's pull up Netflix. Nope.
That's cute.
Where is my tickers? Oh, right here. Right in my face. Netflix 109 looks like an area they want. Okay, here goes NQ looking to go higher.
Look at the chart. Here we go. And call out the flow. Just question T for that window.
Q plus and gold is heading lower.
You can see it's slowing down a little bit up here, though. Okay, Netflix coming back in. Let's see if we get a 3-minute. I don't know if I want to trade it, though. I really am a bit unsure.
Do that one second. Do that thing.
Yeah, market's starting to look a little slow, so let's give this a second. Bentley, no. This guy's so big. He just wants treats and treats and treats and treats. How about SPY? Let's look at SPY. SPY, possible to get to 682. But market is looking a little weaker, at least at the moment. We'll see how that plays out. Let's check the 3-minute at the 9 here. But there's way too many upwicks. I'm feeling a dip is coming at some point really soon here. Possibly even right now.
I go down Dante, exactly up in 246.57. Yeah, puts out there.
Okay. Bentley. Dude. Stop. Guy's going crazy. Okay, Tesla coming back in. Let's check the 3-minute. 429. If we get a move to 429.30, I may have an entry on Tesla. 429.30. All right, hold on. Let me get these guys. What do you want? Oh. Go ahead. Okay. Got the fat boys away from me. We're all good now. Come on, drop it down to 429.30. 429.30. 429.30. Okay, NQ's still holding up here. 3-minute 9. Basically got to the 5-minute 9. It could push up here, but we'll see. We will see.
SPY looks like it wants to die. RWM is already retracing at the entire move. Q is just lower. Watch Palantir right here. It just back tested.
Okay, that's strong there. 3-minute 9. So Netflix did work out really nice. Tesla didn't get to where I wanted it to. I'm looking for that good entry. I mean, it basically got there maybe on the 3-minute, but I'm trying to get the best entries now after, my kind of crappy entry morning. Just the timing was not right. There's still a lot of day left. It's only 10:19, 40 minutes, 50 minutes into the market. So here would be a good example. No, not really. But is weak.
We covered this thing last night as well. Reddit, RDDT.
Oh,
Normal like 215, holding 210. Looks good for that move upside to enter into the zone 225, 230. It is having some relative strength this morning, looking good. There is flow on those 240 calls.
Reddit is one I've been following. 220 strong support. 240. 280. 250. Amazon weak. Amazon's weak. We have Meta turning down. I'd be a little cautious here.
UPS on the verge of either a huge rejection right here or getting the daily squeeze to finally break out to the upside. The chart's still looking really good. It just hit it.
That's one of those, another one that has screwed me so many times. I'm so done with that damn chart.
UPS.
Yeah.
So I traded one time, and it was the longest swing trade I've ever been in. And so when it went underneath $84 from 84 to 82 back in September, I bought leaps. And look how long it sat down there from September all the way till the end of October, and then it finally got the rip at the end of October. I mean, I held that position. Usually I'm in a swing trade, for a few days, and then at least like, 1 or, maybe 2 weeks max for runners. Like,
Yeah.
I sat in that trade for an entire month before anything ever happened. And then it finally earnings, and it ended up holding, and it based in October, pushed up into earnings. Position started to go green, and the $100 calls end up going in the money. And now
Nice.
chilling. That was the first time I ever traded UPS, and there were so many people in the Discord. They were like, "Are you still in that trade?" Like, "Oh my god!" Like, I would have cut it. And I'm like, "You do you." I was like, "I'm just watching this chart." I was like, "I can't help how slow this thing is." But yeah, that was the longest swing trade of my entire trading career was sitting at UPS.
That's hilarious. I mean, that's what's good about buying time too. If something's
Yeah.
chopping up like that, you can afford to just wait.
Look at that double top there on PLTR.
Have one runner left for the.
There's just a lot of weakness across the whole entire board here.
Free trade.
A lot of weakness.
All right, there's
Those
a
high
five
to be
lows.
lows, looking for 248, and then under that, pre-market low, 241.1. NQ, not bad here. Trying to base on previous day low and London orb high. Kind of dojiing out, but buyers need to defend 10-minute CBC and 3-minute 20 EMA.
Hims Hood.
Continue higher.
Hood new low a day. PLTR looking weak.
IWM lost.
ASML strong.
Range, but SPY is sitting right at the
CRM weak. Adobe weak. UNH weak.
heavier than the SPY.
MasterCard weak. Berkshire
Yeah,
weak.
it plays out here.
A lot of ugliness.
SPY is pretty important.
Some puts coming in on CrowdStrike, CRWD. 49 point.
Hmm.
Oh, sorry,
Are they gonna have earnings
47.5s. They do. They do indeed have earnings tomorrow.
Wow. A lot of things are weak. Just totally ran up and then double topped or something of that sort and just straight rounded top down. I'm just looking at a bunch of names right now.
Earnings this week. Oh, the Kroger's. Kroger.
There we go.
Roadsters, man. All right.
Flat remainder MNQ.
50-point gain. I just took my first string on NQ third. Nice.
Fire. You said you weren't trading today. You made like $15,000 last night.
I'm trying to get to the 5-figure mark too.
Let's do it.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it now. Short it good. Take that money just like you should. My show. NQ.
Dude, CrowdStrike premiums are freaking expensive. This is stupid. I don't even know why I pulled the option chain out.
That is
Dumb.
is be what needs to crack. My short. NQ. Is be what needs to crack. You know what's funny? I don't even know who's singing that song.
What?
NQ long, VWAP risk.
How can you not close that trade? Oh, I don't even have it? Oh, okay. I was like, that's a little confusing. Let's see this. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
SPY just back tested that level. Let's see what happens.
Watch NVIDIA.
He is bouncing right off that 68.25 as my major level I'm watching.
Look at this waterfall on Meta. What is that?
Okay, I'm just waiting here for something. Again, I'm being patient. Again, we have a ton of time left in the day. Let's see what the market gives us. But we are currently down here under the 2-minute 9 and 21, under the 3-minute 9 in between the 21, and then we wicked off the 21 on the 5. So, possible weakness can come upon us.
Another gold short, 10-minute risk.
Let's just be smart here and wait. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Just waiting for that right entry. Trying to see if we can maybe get a curl down and get a short into those.
What really?
Oh man. Let's see why he came in, gave that all back.
Okay. Still weakening. Look at that. Rejecting the 9 there. Let's see what we're rejecting here. So they would need to move back over 346 to get bullish there. It's trading near book. What was it? That's I serve.
Why I'm making new lows. Down.
Drop it low, girl.
Taking the money.
Yeah, money cash.
Last short, AQ. Just be what needs to crack. Are we gonna go to St. Louis today? Let's go see the Yellow Arch.
You already got it on Val.
We got a A-frame cabin up in Colorado on IWM right now. Super slick.
8-frame cabin. I love it.
Yeah.
I just learned what that is this week.
All right, Miami, calm down. Y'all have flat roofs down there, don't you?
I don't even know what that is.
A flat roof?
Oh yeah, we have flat roofs.
Yeah.
No, we have a lot of like pointy roofs too. It's like an arch. It's kind of like an upside down V.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, look at all these V's.
like, I have some cousins who live in upstate New York near Lake Placid, like Whiteface Mountain, where the Winter Olympics were, all that. And they have like a 3-story A-frame house. It's pretty insane, but they built it that way because of the snowfall. So it doesn't like put all the weight on the house.
That's pretty cool.
But it's crazy.
Yeah.
You can like walk up to the side of the house and like just climb on the roof because it's like the A-frame comes down all the way to like, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet off the ground, like eye level.
That's it.
And the reason why I even found out about it last week is because obviously, we have real bad storms down here. And actually, A-frames are one of the most structural. They have the most structural integrity of most kind of frames that you can build, actually. And I was reading about what are the best kind of houses to build. The storms and A-frame was very high on the list.
Yeah, a lot of things curling down. I mean,
Yeah, what do they say? It's
look at this. So you got rounded top. You're going to start to see a lot of rounded tops. Rounded top,
Yeah, it's also
starting to round down. Rounded top, starting to round down.
You guys ever play those games where you make bridges?
Rounding down. Netflix.
they used to do that in like we had like that.
There goes Tesla,
program or whatever.
Oscar, Rivian. By the way, Hanging Man right at the top there. I mean, look at all these just weakening. Obviously, there's 1 or 2 in there, but I mean, look at these. There's a lot of weakness. I'd watch to see. I want to get put spreads. I want to wait till we get down a little bit more, which I do think happens, and I want to look for shorts. So I'm just waiting for that. Sorry. Yeah, I'm just waiting for shorts.
back a little bit on NQ. Slower here.
I don't have good risk to take the short, so I'm still flat right now.
It's still early. It's only 10:30.
Yeah. Plenty of time to make a new order.
3 minute,
Plenty.
5 minute. If they break below that, at 309.
We're at session PNC right now.
Google Week. Okay.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
NVIDIA. Look at this.
Don't rug it all the way down. Bye-bye. Watch out, watch out, watch out. RKO out of nowhere.
Betting Q.
75 point game.
So look at this walking up. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, now it's just riding it with a lot of upper wicks. I'm going to look for a short here on NVIDIA. If we can get under this 178.39, which also lines up with this. And you got market looking weaker here. See that PLTR? That would have been a good trade. Yep. PLTR, I was looking at it for sure. Oh my God, look at Hood. Just giving it all back. $6 to the downside right now. Okay, so now we look for a little bounce back on NVIDIA and we grab shorts. I'm looking for an NVIDIA short. I mean, market is extremely weak in every single aspect here. Gold looks like the only good thing. Oh, man. It really cannot stop yawning. So that I don't want. See that? It closed back over the 9. No entry there.
This is the spot spine twos where could be a little scalp to the wall. Just got tested.
I forgot to tell you guys, I qualified for payout on my first 3 props last month. I'm not taking the payouts yet. I'm gonna build a buffer, obviously, but I just want to get that level of the $550 days and all that shit. So.
Okay, video new high day. Damn, look at that.
Sorry.
No, you're all good. You're all good.
But congratulations. That's amazing. Definitely was in the chat. Good job.
Hell yeah. I've never.
Goes to show that, following rules, following trends is what is needed to follow those or to pass those because you haven't been trading those at all and you show up and just pass them.
Okay.
Out.
Yep.
Okay. Let's see here.
Absolutely. And not oversizing if you're new.
So they brought that right back. A 60-point bounce there. Really quick.
I'm so happy you got into it.
You're the reason I did. I'll tell you what. I've watched all your beginner videos. I'm just learning all the different rules for all the different. I didn't want to mess with any because I have the money to trade with. So I'm like, I don't want to mess with other people's rules. But so many people don't. So I was like, it'll be good.
It made me
sense
a
for
cheap
people.
leverage, It's cheap leverage.
Yep.
It really made me a better trader, like having to follow their rules instead of mine.
Absolutely. And it speeds up the market. Today I was talking in Discord and I was like, I feel like after staring at, the props for like 2-3 weeks, the market is moving in slow motion when I'm trading options. It's like,
Wow.
it's improved my option
Coin
trading
getting an
process.
ass
Or
beating.
maybe it just happened to be a couple weeks that I was.
Oh my God. JP Morgan getting an ass beating.
Yeah, you definitely feel slower after trading some props for a while because you're in and out so damn quick with a lot of.
10 minute 21. 10-minute 9.
You know,
5-minute
you get
21.
No, I
Yeah.
mean, I love that because a lot of people say, oh, like, they're not going to trade props because there's too many rules, and why would I do that for a payout? But if anything, these rules improve the trader, right? It really shows who can be disciplined and who's not.
Well, where else
The
are you?
rules aren't even that bad. Like, it depends.
Exactly.
There's like, there's,
Yeah.
I mean, there's 200 different firms. So like people that are pulling things out are talking about firms that like I don't trade with, or like the thing is that if you don't follow rules, I don't care what the fuck you're trading. If you're trading options, if you're trading crypto, anything, you will not make it. You are going to be part of the 95% that fail.
Yep.
The rules
and you
are
know what it
don't
is?
go below your drawdown. You know. I mean,
It'll highlight your weaknesses.
Yeah, I mean, and you know what it is? I mean, 95% of traders fail not because of price action or market fundamentals or this or that. It's because they lack accountability. They can't accept the fact that they're wrong, and because that's painful, right?
exactly.
Absolutely.
They don't want to experience that and say, hey, I'm doing something wrong. They're used to an employee mentality, being told what to do, when to do it, and their expectations.
Yeah.
30
Where else can you-
MNQ sold half.
Where else can you get the opportunity to make limitless money with $150 of your own money? Like, what luck in the world do you get where you get that kind of capital to try to trade with for that cheap?
Let's do this.
It's a good starting point for people that don't have the bankroll to trade. It truly.
Guess what? You can buy 10 accounts, 20 accounts, 30 accounts. Still going to be less than one options account that you get from.
Yeah.
That's so huge too.
It's kind of trading, at least for me, improved so much when I looked at myself in the mirror. It was like every decision you made is your decision. Market is random, it's not random, who cares? You put yourself in those
Okay.
positions. That's what-
AMD, we're looking for a dip buy. 2, 3, 5-minute strong reversal. Nvidia is still going strong. Once AMD gets that little dip, we grab it.
EDG doing well today. Over leverage shares. EDG.
Doesn't mean you have to go on and trade those ETFs, but they do make good profit.
Well, it's really, I really like not dealing with the option stuff, being able to build a position, some of those names like that I feel like are going to make a move. I wish I would have looked at the website sooner, leverageshares.com, because it's right on my largest position in U that I talk about all the time. They actually have NUG. I didn't see it. I didn't know about it, or I would have bought way more of that.
I'm surprised that Ticker was available.
Come on, give us a trade.
The accounts are not a gold one or even gold. Yeah. Pick it up. My 2 stock picks for the week: silver and gold. Line.
Nvidia,
I'll probably still lose because I didn't do any leverage for
Tesla, Rivian.
silver's an absolute breakout. SLV, GLZ is trying to. It went in
PLTR came back.
It's trying to hold the bottom of that gap fill.
ASML still riding up.
388 area, 389, and the 394 is the like.
Berkshire, Home Depot looks like it may want to push higher.
And then like all the way back to where it got down from the over 400. It's ticker GLD.
On those SI futures,
Team.
futures you got
217.40 would be the best situation here. Okay, we're gonna do a put spread on NDX. Put spread. Ooh. Okay, expiration.
It's tiny rather. So it makes the point.
Okay, I'll put a QQQ one out. So NDX put spread, we're selling the 24,950 put, buying the 24,930 put.
Oh, it was. Wow. I didn't know if I took this off my screen.
I just got an notification. Ethereum down
Nice. Let's go.
Oh, here we go. Another 3-minute interaction. Marathon break. 250 here.
AMD week.
Just got another notification. Bitcoin under 80.
Probably bounces here, but I don't like how it looks weak.
Netflix is great.
They can specify weight.
Corby trying to flip green down, that bounced back hard.
God, Bitcoin looks like dog doo-doo. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at the daily weekly.
I love it.
I won't buy it. I've been saying this for like a month or two. Like, I'm not buying Bitcoin until there's a 6 a.m. front. I'll start looking to buy.
Weak. Yeah, very weak there.
This year's lows.
There is one. There is one of those betting markets, or prediction markets. Couch has one. Will Bitcoin cross above 100K again this year? What do you think the odds are? At?
Will it cross what?
Knowing the people that
Q put spread today expiration. Sold 605 put. Bought 601 put. Entry 0.8 to 0.09. There you go. That's for the Qs for anyone that needs Qs.
It was any of you crypto guys down bad. You got a discount.
These people, I'm DCAing
Okay.
100K a week while it's the clear downtrend.
Yep, there's Q. So I sold the 605 put, bought the 601 put. Yeah, NVIDIA, AMD is weak. No trade.
I had
No trade on that.
I've got like millions of coins stacked up.
I got shares.
Adobe. What are you doing, girl? 330, huh? Yeah? Adobe wants 330. I'm right at it.
I mean,
That actually looks good.
Bitcoin bros were smart, and the chart's obviously telling you that thing.
Don't like the spread.
Go to prediction markets and hedge yourself.
Looks like it'll be a good trade, though.
Go to the futures markets and hedge yourself.
Ooh, there's like $2 of upside at minimum.
Look, Sailor came out this morning, so he's not gonna have it.
Does he have altcoins?
Okay.
Is MSTR under 150 yet? Almost there, Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Really?
Open, put, NDX.
You got
Okay.
coin puts coming in for April 2026.
I just got a dip there.
Comparing MSCRs like AMC manipulations. Like, dude.
22.85. Open, NDX.
Guys are saying
I want you to win. I just don't think crypto will win.
hey.
90% of crypto will fail.
I know. But you know what? Some of these that I have, they better freaking move. They're not meme coins. They're like, XRP.
Yeah.
Gold getting its ass kicked.
Useless.
Yeah, I don't get why everyone likes XRP. What's the reasoning behind that?
The transaction.
Yeah.
Look it up.
Dude, are you not been paying attention to the future of the US dollar?
Oh shit.
That's what I was told.
Even freaking President Trump tweeted about it. Come on. It's buy and hodl, whatever you guys want to call it. I've got
Hodl hodl.
I used to buy XRP all over.
No. I mean, I've got like, oh my god, I gotta check. I'm not gonna enter my portfolio.
She's got millions in there.
Probably does.
No. I've got other ones that like I've got like ZBEC and Adara.
Oh, you get weird with it. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Macy's in it.
Wait till it goes to
She
like
called me.
freaking
Speaking of,
Money,
did you
nada.
see that Zcash that everybody's been talking about? Just absolutely cratering.
yeah, I was old school.
Well, no, Zcash started running. It went from like 30 something bucks to like 700. It's all the way back at 350 now.
This is the top, isn't it?
This is the top.
That's what all the Bitcoin bros told me.
No. They
But the actual,
minus 99.9%.
the actual like traders all said the cycle's over.
What? Well, I'm a crypto sis, so I guess I didn't get the memo.
Yeah, Em had a couple weeks where he was in the trenches with the crypto guys, crypto spaces. He had a fun guy.
Yeah, we do some deep dives with them. And
You know, I went in there with the actual TA and was like, "Hey, this doesn't look good, guys."
yeah,
And I was actually surprised when like 4 or 5 of them like actually agreed. I was like, "Oh, let's go! You guys actually."
Oh. Oh.
You know, a lot of them
I
don't even know
expected a
how
lot of just like just buy everything all the time.
yeah, no.
There's
They
actually
don't know
some
how
really
to
smart
charge.
people over there.
No, they don't. It's like this
Crypto
whole
people do not
mentality.
know how to
It's
chart.
crazy.
I'm
Yeah.
just telling you, there are a bunch of people that know how to chart. That's where it came from.
Yeah, maybe a few, but many of them really don't.
Degens.
Yeah.
It's weird too, because blockchains are
And we're
amazing
not.
technologies. They're just like pigeonholing it to crypto.
Where it got even better was the act like when Bitcoin maxis that is always 5 people. They were like, "Put your crowns up, stop drawing lines on the chart." Cool. They called us line drawers.
INTC $44 calls coming in January 2026.
Adobe looks good. Damn.
Yeah, shout out to the Wolf Bitcoin channel holding it down.
I like Dave.
It is a deep.
Yeah, I
You
feel
know,
bad
it's
that
funny
Kate's
that
net worth
Kate
is down
actually
50%. But
Kate tapped me to do like Bitcoin stuff or crypto stuff. I'm like, dude, this isn't my like. I'm into like I trade.
I just made my lane.
Okay.
It needs to
That's
close
okay,
over
yeah.
59 here to show a sentiment shift. And then I think sellers cover adding to the imbalance for that 400 break.
Get in there.
Yeah, we're pushing higher here. I got a nice entry on put spreads on that dip. On that dippity dippity. Trying to look for longs on things.
Well, if you took the long was fine QQQ down there, we hit the spot, we are ripping Qs back up to high of day.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nkey's about to get it.
Let's go, baby. Beautiful. Give me my
Got that
100
high for
points.
minutes.
We're up 76 right now.
Yep, look at that.
And they go.
Hey, a new high a day. We just got a
Look at
tick. Literally a tick at new high day.
You trying to make me float again?
Beautiful. NVIDIA approaching 180.
Trying to make me shit again.
I got an order set there for my 100 pointer. It'll be a quarter position of fat chunk. We're up 90 here.
Nice.
You're seeing the individuals actually look better now. The individual techs. Where's NVIDIA? NVIDIA.
I don't know if you saw this. Steve Cohen was approved to build the casino that he wanted to build
Oh, really?
Right next to City Field, yeah, in New York.
Hmm.
ES is not taking eyes yet.
Order field.
That's me.
There's a lot of Momo into those highs.
ITC popping.
Okay. Grabbed in NVIDIA long, looking for a new high day. Strongest name, holding 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 9. Just tap them. Okay, so this is a much better entry. We grabbed it
Boom, 100
ready at literally at 179.50. Look at the 2 minute riding here, basically where our entry was, 3 minute just below, and 5 minute about to engulf this candle. Now we look for move over here and over here. And we also have 182.5 looking like a magnet here. I mean, NVIDIA has been the strongest name all day. NVIDIA and Netflix being the strongest names. Look at this. Same thing. Okay. So now we're just going to let this ride. We have NQ making new high day, actually looking strong. So everything is looking good. Gold actually looks good too. Our NDX put spreads are probably already 60% in profit. Let's see. Let's take a gander. They are 0.85. The entry is 0.30. The entry is 0.35. So just about 55, 60% there.
Still into this week at some point. I'd like to see a move.
We got to hold
Into
this.
the Asia and London low we had this morning and today's low. That's been made so far.
Tesla.
Ignore it.
Never mind. And what were you gonna say?
I should have grabbed those Adobe longs. I didn't grab it only because of what it looked like here.
I was gonna ask Jordan if he bought any.
Yeah, I should have did that. That was stupid. It's already up $1.50 there.
Me neither. I was jealous of some of the.
$1.50, $1.50.
Yeah, I was jealous of the computer stuff people got and the trip people booked. Apparently, there's some good hotel deals.
Yeah. Yeah.
AMD actually looks good. Looks like it wants to push higher. Let's check AMD here. Could get to 220 and 222.5. I dip back into that, possibly entry for that. Let's see our NVIDIA break new highs over that 180, go to 182.5, where it's looking like it really wants to target. Microsoft strong. Google. What does Google look like? Gap down? I don't like that. Okay. Amazon strong. Apple. Get in there. Come on, video. Boost your ass. Zeta about to see new. Well, actually, just did hit new high day by a penny there. That Adobe. And actually, that's a little upsetting. I should have taken that trade. We talked about HD. Look at that curling. We talked about HD right around here. Already up $2. Same thing. You got the curling happening. That's another one I should have taken. Missed opportunity. Missed opportunity. You're not going to get into everything, though. You got to realize that. 11 years trading, I know that. I'm okay if I miss things. And you will miss things. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Let me read these. For those who do not have put spread options, how can they tell you? Oh, where's my screen? Dude, what is going on with this thing?
I have a level that's 1645 and it's
I didn't know that my screen went. Sorry about that. For those who don't have put spread options, how can they tell you? Realistically, for this, we're looking for it to stay above a certain level. So I don't know how you could really tell. I mean, I'm not saying it goes higher. In this case, it went way higher, but so it's hard to say. Yeah, the price at 2. Place an order. Yeah, do not place an order at 2 cents. There's no premium on that at all. Selling a 605 put and buying a 601 put at the time was 0.08. If it's 0.02 already, that means it's already up 80%, 75%. Did he ever get a payout? I am just about to be funded, so no payout yet. I will let you know. I've heard good things. I've actually talked to leadership too there, and I didn't see any red flags. Can you send some links and so I could check that out? I want to see that. You're not getting filled for anything on Alertify, and I have auto execute. What is your dollar amount? Not sure if my sizing is too small. Let me see my. What was my price on those? The 400 should be fine because this contract was $3.30. So that's $330. So you should be getting that. If you're watching my screen, make sure you go to copy trading. Make sure enable no, not that one. Sorry. Copy subscriber. Make sure your broker is connected. Okay, so all you have to do is go to dashboard and go to the copy trading, go to copy subscriber, the copy trading broker, click that on, make sure your broker is connected, and then auto execute on, and then go down and you could make sure copy enabled, auto execute on. You'll see that on these. NVIDIA dipping a little bit here. Let's see if we support at that 719.15 and 179. If not, if we break under 179 with a 2 or 3 minute close, I will have to be out. And honestly, I don't know if I want to trade anymore after that because I've had, technically, I guess you could say 3 bad trades. I don't consider Amazon a good trade because it was not.
All right, I had a retrograde. I'm gonna head out. Get some breakfast. Good night.
Netflix. I'm just missing the good ones today. Like I missed NVIDIA. I targeted AMD.
I bought red 10 minutes.
Appreciate you.
Get me green, bitch. 2 minute 21. Wick there by a couple pennies. 3 minute 9. We wicked and now we're closing above. 5 minute 9 by a couple of pennies. Jonathan. Yeah, the NDX option didn't get the fill. So what I would do next is if you want to still get in this, here's what I would do. Let me look up something here. Do not do the same one that I did. That's first off. Give me a second here. Give me 1 second. Let me see if I can cook something up here.
Getting the breakout on 4 hour and daily.
Let me see if I could cook something up here.
HD's having a good day.
Yeah.
That's
Or
right.
HD and Lowe's, LOW.
Mm.
That one as well.
Where are we at on Qs? Our low of the day is 612. Oh shit. Okay. I'd look to QQQ selling the 610 put, buying the 606 put. You get 8 cents. That's one I'd watch there. How does Hims look today? Mikey Puffs. Mikey frickin' Puffs. Hims just looks like a little dip into 38 here. Hold on 1 second. Okay. Netflix.
Retail names all getting.
Netflix looking
Yeah,
strong.
BBWI. Also
Zeta New High Day.
Fives.
20
ago.
season.
Off the lows.
Look where the ones were.
Yeah, I mean, chart overall disgusting.
Oh, we got that target that I talked about on Adobe. Just didn't take the trade.
And 4-hour candle.
CRM, look at that girl. We talked about that one. Also, same thing. Very nice. Look at the crossovers on everything there.
You go to Bath and Body Works and tell me you don't want to buy the stock. What else? Retail names.
Nike, dude.
Yeah, I looked at Nike.
Freaking
Lulu is.
I'm thinking about it. No, that looks like shit.
Guys, I'm gonna head out. I'm not gonna trade anymore, so take care, Mix. Thanks.
Bye, makes
Bye.
it.
See you tomorrow.
Appreciate you.
Bye, Meeks. Hope you find your dad.
Anybody catch the movie reference? No.
I did.
Greatest Christmas movie of all time. Oh, Daniel in the chat. There you go. Elf. Thank you. What a great movie.
Okay, gotta hold 178.90 here on Nvidia. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to close this one, and I may be done for the day. We'll see. Gotta hold 178.90. Otherwise, I am done for the day. That would be shitty trading.
She blows. SPY equal high rejection. NVIDIA getting slapped around 480.
Got along there up to 3-minute 9 on NQ. Let's see if that works. Next would be a 5-minute buy at 375. Okay, 2 or 3 minute close under this 178.90 level. I will be out. Netflix was the trade of the day. And Nvidia. I just happened to get Nvidia at the worst time.
Come on.
Okay, grab 3 more there. My stop is going to be
Come on.
under here.
I have an absolute 50 cal sniper rifle on my back today.
Yeah, if I lose this Nvidia trade, I'm going to be done for the day, for sure.
Sound good.
3 kind of shitty trades. One of them was a winner, but
Yo, take it easy.
Bye, Trayvon.
just wasn't the best entries on anything. Nvidia was a good entry. I'm not mad about the Nvidia entry, but just not the right time. It was already slowing down. And in my case, I would always say to short when it starts to slow down. I grabbed that long on NQ when we tapped that 5-minute 9 and 2-minute 21. We need to reclaim 380. Otherwise, I get stopped. If we break under 353, is that 353? Yeah, 353. Okay, I got stopped out here. Just shitty trading day for me. Holy moly.
Oh, good match.
And NVIDIA, I'm going to have to close if it doesn't hold here. So far, it's holding, but
Up or down, you make money.
at 3-minute 21. Jesus, I am
Get a ball boy.
just getting murdered today. Nothing crazy. Just shitty on my end. Shitty entries, as I've been talking about. That's been my killer today. We're down, what, 8%? Yeah. If we hold this 178.90, which we are, I'm going to add 1 or 2 more. Mm-hmm.
Slow grind down.
The news has been very slow today. I don't know who mentioned Lowe's when I hope they just got a
That's Casey.
price target upgrade. Maintain hold, price target raised to 250.
Gosh.
Stifle. Evan,
Okay, I'm going to close
did you see
NVIDIA there. It's not good.
I did.
That's shitty.
What's in yet?
Shitty trading. Shitty trading right now.
Added CoreWeave, IREN, and Shopify.
I don't really know much about Pegasus. Yeah, Pegasus systems. Just know data.
Connecticut Attorney General is inquiring into find out who later.
Okay.
I was looking at some of the stats on DFL. One people actually, I think it was 1/4, 1/5, end up like paying late or having trouble. MNQ long, 10-minute 20 risk, VWAP area.
Yeah, I got stopped. I closed NVIDIA for a loss there. Do you see that your NDX price is different on TradingView? What do you mean? Compared to the brokerage? Is that what you're referring to? Ay. Shitty trading. Shitty trading. No, it's pretty good for me. I haven't seen any issues of it being different. Let me see. Let me check right now. What's up? 12. Seems in line for me. Not sure I need to adjust TradingView. Let me check. So for me, I'm looking at NDX. Let's see. NDX. And 310. No, it's right. It's right for me. Yeah, it's good for me. Look at the weakness that we have forming here. If we break under that 5 minute there at 342. I grabbed NVIDIA on the 4th dip buy. Look at this. That's stupid on my end. 1, 2, 3, 4, technically. Yeah. Oh, that's Netflix. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just stupid on my end. Stupid. Okay. I'm looking for. I'll do one more trade, but I'm looking for a short back into 342. Look back into. Yes. Shitty. Poor ass trading. Poor ass. A $60 difference. Wow. Let me look at that. Let me look at Robinhood then. $291. Nope. Good for me on Robinhood. Wow. Fuck. I just missed that by like 20 seconds. That 342 tap that I just talked about. No fucking way. Yeah. Missing entries all day today. Not following the good ones. The hell am I doing? What in the hell? If Amazon goes up 20 cents.
All right, here comes NVIDIA, the 180 rejection. I think Tesla's about to make a new low here. Kind of looks like head and shoulders. Be interesting to see if they bounce it right here on spine cues.
I know I can actually.
Price action would be. They'll actually break this spot.
Okay. So let me explain why I took it off. trade. Yeah, they're grabbing that long. Jesus. Yeah, I don't like anything here. Nothing.
By the way, Amazon has this AWS reInvent. It's a pretty sizable conference for them, starting today. So you'll probably see some AWS related headlines and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That looks good.
Come on, give me orb high. Still holding ES.
They're gonna push this.
And that's a nice candle for the bounce.
They're gonna push this strong. Probably get to the 390s here. If we get a dip back into 365, may grab it myself. Okay. See if we can get a little dip. They may just boost it right over 380. If so, I'm not going to take it.
Headline. Funding from the Department of Energy.
You know, it's funny. I didn't say anything about it, but I did put a tweet up in the list above when we were talking about leverage shares. They have a uranium ACTF.
They also have thematic ones too, outside of 2X.
Okay, you got an entry there.
I thought it was just like a spot uranium. What's this uranium?
20-point gain. MNQ, I sold half at the orb high.
DOE rare earth funding announcement. DOE 134 in funding to strengthen rare earth element supply chain.
2, 3, 5. Yeah.
That thematic.
Okay. I grabbed one more long. I'm trying one more trade. If I lose this, I'm 100% down for the day. Grabbed a long here on QQQ and NQ.
PNG, NextGen. A lot of other things in there too. Some foreign companies. American Electric Power.
Soft burner just week to week. Not long term, but he'll miss sometime.
Okay.
Yeah, man, MSCR is down 12% today. I guess DMR is down something like that too.
When you tell people hodl, and you tell hodl.
What do you mean? I don't think they sell.
So I'm long off a 2, 3, and 5 minute flip.
I don't know what that means, but
We need to see a move over 380 here, and we can get right into 397.
Your weekly 9 on Nike. Your high day.
Come on. Holding that 3-minute 9. That's going to move over 380 here.
They updated their guidance. Strategy today announced updates to its assumptions underlying its previously issued forward guidance and Bitcoin KPI targets for the fiscal year ending December 31st, 2025. Previously published on October 30th. The
Okay, holding that 3-minute 21 as well.
50,000.
So far. Come on.
Rough.
How many end of the day with a green one here?
Now they said between 85 to 90. Which
I mean, the
seems
setup looks
way
great. Just need to get over that 380 right here. Break that. You see
So
that.
operating income is going to be a loss between 7 and 9.5 billion.
I want to trim right here.
From 5.5 to
Right here.
6.3.
Holding the 3-minute 21,
Loss
3-minute 9,
for-
holding the 2-minute 9 and 21, holding the 5-minute 9. This is looking really good here for a breakout setup here. Come on, push it through.
and they're,
Get over that 380.
US dollars now instead of just.
There we go, 382.
That's interesting.
Keep going, keep going. Get me to 390s. I want to trim at 390s. Need that strength over that 380 here, where you can see we have some rejection. Need some strength over that 380. Come on. Don't want to see that. Come on, breakthrough.
How did I know that stock was hitting freaking trend line right now?
Break true, break true.
Question is, what does it do right here?
Get over that 380.
Does it bounce it or die?
There we go. Come on, get the 390.
Chop, 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 chop.
We gotta close over this orb high here.
Come on.
NQ
Come on.
329.25.
We're going to trim some off on my NQ. Going to put a stop at profit.
Ribby and just keep it cruising.
Come on.
Boeing just got some random volume.
Come on. Keep going.
All that.
Pull us through.
It's a long Starbucks.
Coming right back to that 380.
Don't long Starbucks.
Yeah, well,
That's not good.
I will tell you.
That's not good. No strength to hold above that 380.
And watching McDonald's here.
Mm-mm-mm. No strength to hold above that 380. So that's where you start to see that weakness, and that's not good. Now I have a feeling they're going to push this down. If they break under 367, it's pretty shitty. Man, I cannot get one going today. I really cannot.
I don't know, maybe our favorite shoes, KC, if it gets over this 45, 44.
Oh, win. I do see the resistance right up here. That was 44.3.
That one's tough. What about Gap? Didn't that chart look really good?
It filled the gap. It went.
Gap filled the gap?
Yeah, the daily. I mean, just
Oh,
went
back
straight
on
to it.
like on Wednesday. Yeah.
Yeah, went straight to it. I mean, the stock just ripped like freaking 10% in 2 days. It did diddly do.
Come on, get back above 380 here. You bastard. Make me proud. Make me
So
proud.
you have a holiday week like that, low volume, a lot of people out. The kind of
That 380 is a pain in the ass there. Look at it.
on the Monday.
They can't do it.
Tuesday after is a little bit interesting. Google
Come on,
still looks
keep
like a
going.
Short to me.
Come on, keep going. What do we only have 3%? Yep. Come on. Get above this wick. Screw this. Now we need to get above this. We're not doing that. Once we get above that, I want to trim
Crazy habits.
just green, but I want to get it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Bill breaker 400.
Come on.
It's another good scale. I got to order.
Okay, I'm trimming one there
50 points.
for 6%.
Excuse me, 408 for 50.
There we go. There's our first target. 6.45%. Come on. Break it through that. If we break through that, we're going straight into the 400s. My next trim is around 408, 411. Come on. Push it higher. This may be my last trade. I want to end on a good note after a shitty day. I'm basically 2 for 4, and Amazon wasn't even that great. It was literally a 3% trade. And not saying this is that great either, but nice little scalp. Get us a little cash. Come on. 408. Keep going. 408. So again, 2 minute we grabbed right here, right at 368, 370. 3 minute, same thing. Look at that. And the 5 minute, same thing. So we had 2, 3, and 5 minute confluence there. Grabbed entry and working out very nicely here. Come on. Show us 408. Get us over 12, 15%. What do I have? 618? Oh, 617. So I'm in same day. Sorry, I'm in tomorrow expiration, but in the money currently. Okay, I'm going to trim another one out because of the weakness there. Look at that. They're trying to pull it back in. And I'm going to close this one at 261. Okay. I'm all out. I'm going to call that one. Nothing crazy, but I just don't like how it's slow. I don't like it. I wanted to take my profit, and that's basically it.
Okay, so
That one got me nice and green on the day now.
So tomorrow we have CrowdStrike, Marvell, Okta,
In a decent amount.
and that. Well, that Pure Storage is, I think, people like that game as well. Wednesday morning, Dollar Tree, Salesforce, and Snowflake. In the afternoon, Wednesday, Thursday, Kroger, Dollar the Ameritrade. No, sorry, that's Cornell. Bank of Montreal. After the close, Rubrik, DocuSign, Ulta. What is Ulta doing these days? Oh, there you go, Casey. Casey's there.
What's up?
Look at Ulta's chart. I was trying to find another good retail.
They were looked at it last night.
Good. Lord, that chart looks good.
You weren't there.
Well, first I was trading, and then I was trying to get the schedule posted. A little snag on the graphics.
So Ulta is
Nice.
one. The other one, which I hate trading, is ELF.
You could break this out here. We
Which
did
is,
dip right back into that 3 minute, but that was too deep.
Bishop.
Elf is like a swing trader. Like
It is. It's
almost
1%
have to,
swing trade.
Like that 383.
like elongated, patient, and look like 15-20% gain, 30% gain.
All of our favorite ones is going to be VSCO.
And Vita. Back up.
Victor's Secret.
Look at
Yeah,
AMD.
Victor's Secret. What an absolute monster.
Rivian, just strong. Zeta, back to green. Hims riding. Slow and steady.
This one has just been like a continuous just swing long. What a beautiful.
Ooh, there goes that CRM. We started to see that curl around here. Now new high day.
Probably going back to
Here's the bill broken.
648.
Okay, trying to break that 400 again, where we trimmed our first one.
Higher high, higher low, and then Q. Looking for new high day, 420.
Ooh, IDO's 5 minute? Nothing crazy.
What was the other VF?
Probably breaks out here now on NQ. It's definitely going to see our 408 now.
Yeah, look at VF.
Just needed to get me out. Is that what it had to do?
VFC is the ticker.
Is that what it had to do? Get me out just to see that 400?
I traded that one recently for the weekly.
Let's throw this to
Yeah, it was
425.
sometime in August when it broke like 13.
Our put spreads are looking very clean here. No complaints on that end.
Looking at retail, I mean, I guess part of it's rotation in the market, part of it's those names have been beat up, and you've got Christmas season coming or whatever. But if you look at XRT, the retail ETF, that chart looks really good. Just getting off the 200-day, it's breaking out of the downtrend, and it bounced off of a huge previous consolidation. If you look at a weekly or monthly.
Ticks under 17, still going downside, feeling its gap down. Tick is above the zero line, looking strong for the first time today.
Okay.
Consecutive
NQ is going to go for that 408.
minute. So see if Spot can keep this ball rolling.
Basically stop me out. I would put stops, but we don't have them yet on alert to 5. That'll be added very, very soon. But yeah, that 380, I didn't want to hold it into that. Especially where we are in the day, how I've been chopped up personally. You're seeing individuals turn the hell up here.
Nike still.
I've never traded this one.
Kroger just got a nice little breakout.
National Vision Holdings. I have never seen this. EYE.
Yo, Kroger actually looks decent.
The Kroger's.
Yeah, it looks pretty good here.
Breaks that 200-day, it'll look really good. That's a good spot at backtest and held 62.
Mm-hmm.
What else we got?
Nvidia looks like it wants to. Oh, I'm so tempted. Oh, come on. So tempted. Here's that 408. We just tapped it. 409.
Oh, that looks interesting too. SPH, Sally Beauty.
409 hit there on NQ. Damn. I'm so tempted to do it. I don't want to ruin anything else. I've just been so off today on my entries. And again, that happens. That happens. I'll watch it. But I don't think I'm going to do it. Hamas was coming back here pretty nice. Zeta still popping. Rivian taking a little dip. Oscar taking a little dip. Market trying to take a little dip. Me, I'm just sitting on my hands.
Perfectly
Oh, what did this take?
back tested my entry right there.
Oh, was I on?
A short spot, potentially here on spot Qs and IWM back test right here.
Wait, what? 1107.
Personally, I like to
Oh.
see us hold the midpoint, push up, and just go fill the gap today and get it over with.
Oh, was I on the wrong account? I guess I was on the wrong account.
Just some kind of decent price action. I mean, the opening.
Oh, they're holding that. Okay.
Like 1,166. So we can start getting some closes right here above the zero.
They're holding that.
17. Fill the gap down to 16.35. Let's buy and fill the gap up to 683.4.
Our NDX spreads look good. Let's check where we're at here. Yep, they're at 10 cents. Or 15 cents. We are literally basically full profit. Very nice, very nice. That's a good one.
Come on, yes. Flag out here. I got 56 next.
Okay.
New highs, yes.
There goes NQ.
There you go.
Damn bastards got me.
Let's get it. I need another hundo.
There goes NQ and QQQ. Let's see.
Alright.
I just want to see what they're at now.
Negative versus reward.
Made 617 calls, are at 290. Bitch. They were at, we sold at 260. Now they're at 290. Damn bastards. Damn bastards. Okay. That literally sums up my day. Getting a good entry into selling early there. Zeta is just moving. Hood moving.
10.
ASML has been just crawling up. Adobe, CRM still going. Costco, Home Depot, Shopify. See, those individuals look good. See, I don't see like no pop. Whereas like this, you're getting that pop. You're getting those EMAs pushing up. Here, there's no pop. And you're getting the EMA starting to lift up here. 179.09, 179.12. This EMA is curling up. 179. Got a new high there. Okay. NVIDIA looks like it wants to push higher. It is starting. Yes, sir.
And can you do? Oh, I'm just gonna text you real quick.
No favors. Okay.
I meant to type the word past, not last.
Oh, I knew. No.
No.
No, sirree.
All right, cool. So it's not just me. Make sure.
There goes NVIDIA.
I tried to take calls earlier, and I didn't want. I tried to take a little bit farther out, and it wouldn't load past that date. And I was like, "Is it just me, or what is it?"
Here. Here.
I would have freaking sniped that right when Q's hit 614. Now we're at 618.
There goes NVIDIA. Breaking higher.
What a freaking give me my hundo, baby. We are less than 20 points away. I got a scale order there. Run it up.
Give me the loot. Mama. Smoking up dope in the crock pot.
Oh.
Fill that gap.
Fill that gap. NVIDIA is moving. NVIDIA is moving. NVIDIA and Netflix, strongest names of the day.
Is Netflix strong? I haven't even looked at it.
Oh, it's been up all day. It's been grooving. It's been grooving. It's been grooving and moving. Grooving and moving. Let's see where it's at now. It's new high day. Just hit it. New high all day. New high all day. Smoking up. Cooking up. Okay. Invader. You got AIMDR. AIMDR is looking good. I mean, the individual is definitely turned up to help this move. You got Apple is about to see new high day. Opening highs. Maybe the better term.
This is when we're really gonna go back to those highs and let the sellers get out of it last night. Or can we just stay short right here?
Never.
Dude, if SPY goes up to 683, 684 area, then definitely should stop. Is 619, 620. Internals is still very different. I mean, Volti's back at the zero line. It's trying. Tick just went. That was the highest tick of the day. Just had at almost plus 700. It's back under the zero line right now, pulling down.
Oh yeah, this is something good to look at. I mean, I've been trading 11 years. I know I'm gonna have losing days. I know I'm gonna have losing trades. It's just part of the game. It doesn't bother me. I just, I always want to be better. That's basically the whole thing. I want to be better. And today, I didn't produce that well. I had a trade on Amazon that could have been a better entry, would have been 15, 20, 25% trade. I got AMD, didn't work out. Nvidia didn't work out. I got in way too high based on of what I normally follow. It hit way too many dip buys. QQQ, I just, wanted to take profit basically because of my prior trades. The spread, that's beautiful. No complaints on the spread. The spread is going to be beautiful. It's going to be a green day. But, take that into fact, which is, still great. But, just more so bad entries, bad trades. I want to, be able to share the best that I can. And, I didn't really do that today. But, we're doing fine. That's all it is. That's what gets me. I want to just, be able to provide the best I possibly can. I need to get this thing going. Yeah, that data subscription is so annoying. Let's see if they emailed me to fix it. Let's check that video. Did it break out? No, almost there. Almost to that high day. Right. Capital preservation is key. 100%. 100%. That's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. Capital preservation. Reserving that capital.
Oh, can we stall out here?
Okay, coming in a little weak there.
Oh my goodness, app, mother freaking love it, dude. What a move! You're
Mmm.
a great day for the app. Love it.
I mean, look at those contracts. Are probably crazy.
Getting back above all moving air. I like the low that it held. There's a lot of moving averages there.
Yeah, the entry that I took was when it reclaimed 510. Filled that daily gap.
Mm-hmm. By the way, if you guys haven't checked yet, or if you're interested, I should say more so, Vanquish Trader, which is an options firm or prop firm, you use code BTF there to get a good chunk of your price off. Same thing with Top One Futures, a futures firm, prop firm. These are ones that I like, I use. You can see I have Vanquish up here. And I am just about to get funded. I need another $1,100.
What are you doing?
I said excited.
That's a pretty exciting.
Oh, and also,
15 minutes. I mean,
video. Sorry, Netflix. Bentley.
Hold that 3-minute EMA guidance. Yeah.
Bentley. No. No, Bentley. Hold on, just give me 1 second. I'm just going to go to the kitchen for a second. Smoking out. I'll be right back 1 second.
So I looks decent. Ooh, GE is taking it on the chin today, though.
VDG still cooking. Wonder if NVIDIA keeps this up. Eat it from the lows of this range.
yo, why ain't no one tell me DraftKings is at $34? Let's go. What a dip buy.
Okay.
Amp got a better entry than I did on his shares.
Oh, what? DraftKings?
Yeah, dude, it's at 34.
Let's go. I need it.
After buying those shares at 26, but I know, right?
When did I get filled? It was like 25
I think
something.
you got 25,
that night
yeah.
after earnings.
Yep.
Or like on the earnings dip, I would start buying it. I was like, I don't know. What I have companies like that they do the same thing over and over. Oh wow, nice. I had a huge buy zone down there again.
Got Mike up here. What's up, Mike? I'm getting Paul from Leverage up here too. Hey, Jordan.
Hello,
everybody.
This is Mike.
Everybody have a nice Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, ate good food. Got fat and happy. Yeah.
I don't want to look at any ham for like a month.
Yeah.
It's my.
Oh man, that's my Christmas gift to you.
It's fine. It's perfect timing, actually. I think I eat ham like twice a year. It's like Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Easter for me.
Trying to think. I don't even remember what we did for Easter anymore. You looking at anything out there? Options, Mike?
Nvidia.
No, I'm waiting on the this whole TPU, GPU thing, whatever with Google.
I just realized I do have to hop off here. I have a call actually right now. I will be in chat. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to ask me in chat and or Twitter. We will be live tomorrow, and we are going to kick some ass tomorrow, okay? We are going to come back from this. Spreads look great, so spreads are good. Again, green day for me. I'm happy, but could be so much better. So I will catch you guys in a bit.